Very good.
Very good. Like.
Alright, yeah. Just want to try something different today. I'm heading to Dublin, just outside Dublin, to do a wee job here. That's a solar panel job. So just want to take this along today and see how it goes. It is real windy and raining today, so I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can. Yeah, I'm waiting on a few parts coming in and a few things coming up to do a few more videos, so I'm just going to try this wee video out today to see how it goes. Let me know if you want to see more of this. Yeah, I do lots of jobs, like I could be installing solar panels, subcontracted in to do that. That's what I'm doing today. Or I could be doing landscaping or digger driving. Yeah, some of the landscaping jobs can't really take you along. Just don't like asking the customers, but yeah, as the channel gets bigger, I will think about doing that, taking you along more to more jobs. Yeah, but at the minute I'm just working and yeah, not bringing you along for some of the videos or some of the jobs. So see how it goes today and take it from there. Because of this COVID, I haven't been as busy with my own work, landscaping and digger driving, so I'm able to get a few more things done around the house and around my yard and stuff. So yeah, hopefully there's a few more better quality videos coming up. We get more views and more likes and subscribers and what have you. I will try to put out better quality videos, but at the minute I'm not 100% committed to it because I'm not getting, the channel isn't getting as big as I want it to get. But you have to put more into it to get more out of it, basically. So I'll see what I can do. I'll do my best. That's all you can do. I'm gonna stick these on time lapse. We're driving from Armagh. I live in County Armagh, so these roofing screws. Can get in. So just this last one to do here, and then I want to stick this on time lapse. Yeah, hopefully as you can see alright, but it's went and rained today, so I'll get back to you when I get so far along. There's a change of plans. There's 7 going on this roof, and then there's 3 going on this roof. So I'm stuck in here and then get back to you. Alright, if your tools ever get wet when you're working during the day, I always bring them in, throw them up on the dash, let them dry out. Yeah. Well, that's that job done there. Trying to figure out where I'm going here. Alright, that's another job done there. Yeah. Hope I got enough footage for you to make a video out of it. As I say, it was just a one take video there. I'm waiting on a few parts coming in to make a few more videos here.